Wanna learn how to change the birth date on your Snapchat account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Snapchat app on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. You can see that I'm already logged in. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. You can see there is an option of name, username, birthday, mobile number, and the list goes on. Tap on birthday below username. So you can see that you need to choose carefully so that you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. And yes, they will even add a birthday party. This will add a cake next to your name, display a special birthday jam held trend. Find and celebrate your birthday. So I'm going to tap on it. Tap on this birth date, month and year. And severely after tapping it, you can see that the option has just appeared on the bottom for changing the date, month and year simultaneously. So I'm going to scroll down to this month section and choose my particular month that I belong to. You can also do the same, and then the particular date and then the particular year. When you're done, tap on continue just above. You can see that I am 23 years old, and when you're done, you can tap on OK below. If you are sure and certain about the birth date and birth year, tap on OK. Just by doing it, you can see that your birthday has been successfully changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.